Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Looking at the chart for Comcast, ticker symbol CMCSA, you can see it's had some troubles. In this whole industry, the video, live streaming, this whole industry is in trouble. But looking at the chart, it seems like it has stabilized and it's spent a lot of time above the 34. And that's where it is now. Currently trading at $34.26. Comcast is a media and technology company. Lots of turbulence among its investors. But it's a solid company, and it's undervalued, and it's a dividend stock. It pays a dividend of about 3 to 4%. It's currently 56% below its estimate of fair value. It's a good solid company. The analysts rate this company as a buy, and it thinks that its 1-year price target is to be about $40. $40 is up in this area here. And I actually think it definitely will reach around $37, $38. Some estimates by some of the analysts, and there's 24 analysts covering this, that's a lot, I think this stock is going to go up to $58. The fighting has to end amongst its investors. By the way, this chart I'm looking at is a trading view chart. You can get this for free. This is a daily chart, so each of these bars is worth 1 day's data. And if you're a beginner, you can track the stock, and you can actually have a paper trading account and trading view. So if I can find a trade somewhere around $35 over the next 6 months, out to October, say, and as long as the stock stays above that $34 to $35 range, which I think it will, I think it's going to go up to 37, 38, and 38. I could win some money. Let's take a look at the trade using options. I'm using a free tool called Option Strat, and because it's a relatively cheap stock at $34, I'm going to sell a put. I can afford to take the stock and own it if it so happens that the stock is put to me. That's what happens when you sell put. It's a long strategy, but you risk the fact that if the stock is put to you, then you're going to be forced to pay that. So you have to have that much in reserve. But your broker's only going to require you to have around $600 or $700 in margin. Nice thing about this is once you do the trade, you instantly got $261 in your account. This trade goes out to October, and this is the win. The green is the win, and this is your loss field. If it happens to go down below 34, let's see, below 32, that's neat. You'll lose some money. Again, Comcast is a solid company. I think it's worth the risk. 261. Let's take a look at the chart one more time. If this stock stays above somewhere in the 32 range, you have a chance to win some money. $281, I believe it was. And you have a chance to lose money down in here. Again, this stock has traded a lot of time since February in this range here. And I don't think anything's going to change. What do you think of this trade? Is this worth taking and selling a put? Is it worth the risk? Now remember, there's a million of these trades out there. Do your own due diligence. And I don't recommend taking advice from anybody. This is a demonstration purposes to show you what I do. I do this every single day, a few minutes every day. I have another business, so I can't spend all the time looking at it. And by the way, I post most of my trades on Discord chat. Happy trading. Let's win some money.